everyone, it's Rebecca from the Home Solutions channel, and today I'm here at Southwest Exteriors to talk with sales leader Ryan Houchin and bring you this 5-part series on how to compare 2 or more home remodeling companies so you can choose the best one for your project. Let's go! Part 3, Comparing Warranties. Obviously, something you want to look at when you're comparing 2 different companies is the warranty of the product and of the contractor.
Yeah.
So whenever I'm trying to compare a couple warranties, you know, warranties can be a little confusing and scary sometimes. What are some things that I should be looking at when comparing 2 different warranties?
Yeah, so I disagree a little bit with something you just said. I think warranties are confusing all the time and nobody ever has a handle on them, right? It's completely perplexing, just the whole process. If you're expecting this product to last for you, if you're planning on being in your home for more than, 3, 4, 5 years, you need to have a solid warranty backing up your investment because let's face it, as we all know, in the last couple of years, things have not gotten cheaper. The biggest thing, again, of any warranty is understanding where is it coming from. So you'd have a contractor warranty that's given by the person that's installing the window. Then you'd have a product warranty that's given by the company that's actually fabricating the product, whether it be windows, siding, doors, whatever. So those 2 things are important to differentiate and say, okay, is this a company warranty or is this a product warranty? Because the 2 are different. That generally, the company has not been around as long as the product, right? And that's where it can get a little fuzzy too. Like companies coming out to your house and saying, oh, we're a 40-year-old company. Well, maybe their window has been made for 40 years, has been in fabrication for 40 years, but they've been doing business 6 months. So that's again where that language gets a little, those lines get a little blurred. But understanding, okay, if it's a company warranty, how long has the company been in business? How long have they had a brick and mortar building? Or did they just pop up and I can't find them anywhere? I can't find them on Yelp. I can't find them on Google. I can't find them on Nextdoor. When I pull up their address, if there is an address listed, it's an apartment, that gives me some concern, right? I don't feel good about that company warranty if I don't see some sort of solidarity of that company. So that's a big thing with company warranties because it's all in the company, right? And it's really only as good as that company. So if they've not been around, if you can't find them anywhere on social media, if you can't find them anywhere on Google, probably got a problem in that warranty. I'm gonna hold that warranty, in pretty light regard because I don't know if this company is gonna be here tomorrow. So that's a big thing with company warranties. Now, product warranties generally are pretty robust. But again, in terms of that product warranty, how long has that company been around that's fabricating that product? Same idea, same criteria as you'd go through for looking up the company. How long has that product been fabricated? How long have they been making that window? What is the specific warranty? You get a fraction of the story of say, oh, it's lifetime warranty. Okay, on what? Because I got frame, I got glass, I got mechanism and balance systems, So there's all these different components of the window that could potentially all hold different lengths of warranty. So for a company to come out and say, oh, lifetime warranty. Don't worry about it. You really need to know as a consumer, okay, what is the glass? What is the frame? What is the hardware? What is the balance and operator pieces? What's the warranty on that? What's the finish warranty? What's the screen warranty? All those things should be asked. And if a contractor can't answer those things for you, or better yet, show you a printed warranty of each of those coverages, again, you have to make a decision. Are you willing to assume that risk if somebody can't furnish that for you? That's a big thing, is understanding, asking the hard questions and seeing what kind of response you get, right? Do you have somebody that just tells you, oh, don't worry about it, it's all lifetime? Or do you have somebody that actually puts a piece of paper in front of you from that company and shows you very specifically where it's worded, on the coverages of each component? Having definitions of lifetime, that's another sticky area is, what is a lifetime? And double lifetime, triple, what? I mean, how am I gonna live twice, Like, what's a double lifetime warranty? How long is that? And you'll find out if you read that, like, okay, the lifetime warranty is assumed, the lifetime of the product is assumed to be 7 years, say. So you get a double lifetime warranty, so you got a 14-year warranty. So again, having a really clear understanding, what is your definition of lifetime? Because from one window company to the next, you could have 3 different definitions for lifetime. They don't all mean the same thing. That's the biggest thing. Warranty, nobody likes to deal with this stuff. Nobody likes to have to sift through it. But again, knowing some pretty simple questions to ask. How does it affect each component of whatever project you're looking at? Hardy plank, you got siding, you got trim, you got paint, you got caulk, So what is covered under what, and what warranty applies to what component of the project? Super crucial to know. And then understanding definitions. What is lifetime? What is limitations? And what does that mean to me? That's the biggest thing with product warranties. And then like we talked about with company warranties, is just doing some really diligent background checking, if you will, on the company to know, are they going to be around? It's great that the company offers me a lifetime warranty, but if I don't have any confidence they're going to be around more than 6 months because I can't find them anywhere on the web, I'm gonna probably take that with a grain of salt. So those are things that you can do to help you facilitate a good warranty discussion, and then hopefully have enough data in front of you if you're comparing two warranties to say, I don't feel so good. There's a lot of loopholes over here. I didn't get a lot of straight answers. I didn't get a lot of definitive answers or clearly explained answers. But over here, I did. And then, hopefully that helps you sift through the mess of all that and pick the one that's better than the other.
You want a company that makes warranties not as scary.
Ideally, yeah. as maybe as impossible that is.
Now you know how to compare warranties between 2 or more home remodeling companies. Be sure to stick around for part 4, where we go into how to compare project proposals between companies. If you missed any of the previous parts and want to catch up on the series, go ahead and click the playlist above to see what you missed. Thanks so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to.